Okay, let's talk about howls now. So howls are very, very similar to our LTLTs. There's just a slight change that we'll have to talk about. So when you add an assignment, let's say I wanted to add a homework assignment. I already added one, so let me add another homework assignment. So I click on add. All right, I'm going to call this one homework two. Homework two. Okay. The scoring type is marks. So it's and then we say LMS howl because yeah, your howls, unfortunately, you'll have to go through the step whenever you're adding one of your howls. Total points can be one, and there is a shortcut way, which I'll show in another video if you'd like to do so. So and then I can go to score. I can save it. And for the record, I can add multiple howls, or I can add say I have an assignment that hit some LTLTs, but that I also want to count for howls, and I'll show that in a second. But we can add multiple things, which is pretty handy. But in this case, this homework, I'm just going to have responsibility. I can score it the way I showed before, or I can save it and then just score it manually in this screen. So, all right, a 2, a 2, a 2 plus, a 3, and so on. All right, what we did not do on this for howls is it's not doing an in progress grade. At any point, you can post a grade, but that might just be done at the end of the quarter, and so it's not finding the average of the howls. That's up to teacher discretion, and that's pretty much it. I would save. So if I looked at one of those assignments that I put in before, so test 2. On test 2, if I realized, hey, I want this also to count as a respect. I don't know why, but I do. All right. So I would just click respect. All right. Again, it's marks, and then I go down to LMS howl. Total points can be anything because it's not actually finding an in progress grade, so it doesn't really matter. And again, in another video, I'll show you the shortcut way of doing that. All right. Now I can go to score to see all of them at the same time. And I can fill across. Oh, I got to select it first. Fill across, or I can fill down. Every kid in the class, I'm saying got a 3 for respect. And if I hover over it, GT3 is respect. And the possible grades I can put in are just the same as you're always familiar with. I save it. You close it. And now for respect, I can see that T2 is an assignment. So really quickly to add, the key thing to remember is that you have to choose marks and then LMS howl.